Hello! So today the topic of our lesson is how to use your network to get customers. Part 2. Your phone book. Everyone has potential clients for their Facebook ad services in their phone book. But people don't know about it. Your phone book is actually a goldmine. A lot of people don't even think about what a great resource it can be. And it is important for us to learn how to use our phone book. So how you can do that? We have prepared an example of how to start a conversation with your contacts to find potential clients. Hi, let's say Jack. This is Lisa. You and I met at John's party a year ago. It's important to remind the person in the conversation where he or she knows you from, where you met or contacted previously. It is necessary to cause association. Can you spare me 5 minutes? Come on, everyone has 5 minutes for a dialogue. Moreover, interest to find out the reason for the call most often takes over. I've decided to start a career as a digital marketer, and I'm looking for business owners who can give me advice on how to get started, possibly share what marketing strategy they use in their business, how they attract customers, and so on. Do you know any business owners? If so, could you please introduce me to them? I'd really appreciate it. Your question and the subject of the dialogue should be voiced in a calm and relaxed manner, so it sounds reasonable. It shouldn't sound difficult, it's just a simple request, it will not take more than 5 minutes. This is very similar to the topic of the last lesson, but previously you asked your friends to do this. But open your phone book right now. I'm more than sure that the number of contacts in it is much higher. It could be about 100. 200 or even 500 contacts for someone. And of course you don't need to call everyone, but I'm pretty sure you may have 20 or 50 contacts that you can ask this question. The next technique is called make an appointment with someone you know. Here is an example of a conversation. Hi John, how is it going? Long time no see. Just wanted to contact you to know if everything's fine. How about going out for coffee this week? There are 2 benefits of this option. You will meet a person that you haven't seen for 6 months or a year and improve your relationship. And you will have the opportunity to sell your services or meet someone who may need it. Your homework is to make 50 calls for people from your phone book and meet for coffee with 20 people from your phone book you haven't seen over a year. And see you in the next videos.